Welcome to Webstyle Press. Changing or updating one thing and changing many things are different. They require a different approach. It requires you to see these in a different way. If you need to change one thing, it's straightforward. You just get single value, manipulate it, and display output. But if you are selecting something that has collection of data, then you need an iteration. You need a loop that starts from first item and ends at last item. You need to go through each item in collection, manipulate each item, and display output for each one of those items. Consider this div and then text in it 1. This is the output. If we need to change this text, it's straightforward. We have linked jQuery with this document and we have got custom.js linked with it. Div has a class name single. This is our custom.js file. We will select the div with class name single. We will select its text. Then we will add something in it. Plus apple. Save. Refresh. 1 apple. Here we selected text in div and then added a string apple in it. We placed this change inside text selector. So our value changed. Simple, right? But if we have got a list like this unordered list, and then for the text we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, and apply same technique over it. It will be like ULLI and here ULLI. Save, refresh. It won't work. Original text was like this. And the change is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, apple. We wanted like 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, and 4 apples. To do that, we need to select the list and then go through each item in it. For that, we can use .each in JavaScript. ULLI.each function this dot text apple. Save, refresh. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple. And if we need to check something and process items differently, we can use condition. If else so if this dot text, its value will be 1, then append apple, else append apples. Save, refresh. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Purpose of this tutorial is to make you see these two scenarios differently. You will be selecting things in programming. Doesn't matter which tech stack is it. Selecting something is not the same. Either you are selecting one thing or collection of things. Know the difference earlier and apply different approach. Manipulating single thing is simple, but when you are selecting a number of things, you will have to iterate through these and apply a change to each item in the list. Okay, I hope this video helped. If you would like to talk to me, you can direct message me at Twitter or Instagram or comment it down below. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.